Google's most advanced AI video model is free to use right now, but most people only know one way to access it. Today, I'll show you several official ways to use it without spending a single dollar. Here's the problem with most free AI video tutorials. Someone discovers one free method, it goes viral, hundreds of thousands of people jump on it, and within days, the free tier is gone or buried behind a waitlist. That's why I'm not showing you just one option. I'm showing you several official ways to access it, so if one changes, you'll already have another ready to use. If you enjoy discovering free AI tools and practical step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe to ProfitTube. I test the newest AI tools every week so you know what's actually worth your time. The model I'm talking about today is Veo 3.1. Google's latest flagship AI video model. Every method in this video gives you legitimate access through official platforms with real free tiers. These aren't hacks or loopholes. I've personally tested every method and successfully generated videos with each one. Let's jump in and go through every method one by one. Open your browser and search for Google Opal. It's an experimental tool from Google that lets you build mini apps using plain English prompts, but there's a video generation capability inside it that almost nobody is using. Once you've signed in with your Google account and landed on the dashboard, click Create New. This opens the main workspace. Now click Generate in the top area, then look at the right sidebar for the option labeled Agent. Click it. This opens a drop-down showing all the tools available inside Opal: image generation, text-to-speech, and Veo for video. Select Veo. Paste your prompt into the prompt box. Before you hit Generate, click Advanced Settings first and set your aspect ratio. If you skip this step, the Generate button won't appear. Go back to the preview screen, confirm your prompt is visible in the box, and click Generate. Processing takes around 10 to 15 seconds. The output comes back directly in the workspace. Full Veo 3.1 quality, no watermark. Search for Adobe Firefly and create a free account. Adobe has integrated several of the top AI video models into Firefly's platform, including Veo 3.1, Kling, and Dance, and the free tier gives you daily generation credits to work with. From the home page, click Generate Video. This opens the main generation interface. Paste your prompt into the prompt field, then use the left sidebar to configure your settings. Select Veo 3.1 as your model. It's available on the free tier. Choose your resolution, 720p or 1080p is available. Set your aspect ratio and duration anywhere between 4 and 8 seconds. Hit Generate. Adobe Firefly processes the request and returns the clip directly in the interface. Download it, and it's ready to use. The daily free credit allowance here is enough for consistent content testing and creation without needing a paid plan. 3 more methods coming, and I've saved what I think is the most underrated one for last. Stay with me. This one is completely official and surprisingly underused. Search for Google Vids. It's Google's cloud-based video editor, and it recently became free for everyone with all of its AI tools included. Sign in with your Google account and create a new project. Start with a blank project. Once you're inside the editor, look at the right sidebar for the option labeled Veo. Click it. This is the built-in Veo generation panel inside Google's own editor. You can generate text to video and image to video directly here, and you can add reference ingredients to keep characters and scenes consistent across clips. Paste your prompt in, set your aspect ratio, and click Generate. Google Vids processes the request and places the generated clip directly into your project timeline, so you can go straight from generation to editing without leaving the platform. The free quota here gives you a solid number of generations to work with. Account cycling is also something you can try to reset the quota, though it goes against the platform's intended use. Download finished clips as MP4 directly from the file menu. Go to Arena.ai. This platform exists specifically to let creators test and compare AI models, and it includes free video generation as part of that testing environment. From the home page, select Generate Video. Paste your prompt into the input field and hit Generate. Here's something useful. Arena generates 2 output variations simultaneously so you can compare results and pick the stronger one. Both come back with audio included, which makes them immediately usable rather than needing a separate audio generation step. One thing worth knowing, Arena doesn't let you choose the video model up front. It selects the model automatically. After you rate your output, the platform reveals which model was used, so you'll know after the fact whether it ran on Veo, Kling, or something else. For pure free generation with no setup required, it's one of the fastest options on this list. This is the most direct official path to Veo 3.1 and the one I'd recommend as your primary method. Go to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Create a new project. The free tier gives you 50 credits daily, and these refresh every 24 hours so you have a consistent generation budget to work with day after day. Once you're inside a project, paste your prompt and look at the model selection options. You'll see several available: Google Omni, Veo 3 Quality, Veo 3.1 Lite, and others. Pay attention to the credit cost for each one. Veo 3 Quality costs 20 credits per generation. Veo 3.1 Lite and Google Omni cost fewer credits and produce results that are comparable for most content types. So for maximizing your daily free allowance, those are the smarter choices. Set your aspect ratio, hit generate, and wait for the clip to render. The output quality here is as good as it gets for free Veo access. This is Google's own platform running their own model. Now, this is worth mentioning separately. Google periodically runs free credit programs for students, educators, and professionals testing their tools. If you qualify, these offers can give you a significantly larger monthly credit allocation across Flow, Gemini, and other Google Workspace AI tools, sometimes up to 1,000 credits per month. Keep an eye on Google's official offers page if that applies to you. Drop a comment with which method you're trying first. I'm curious which one lands best for the type of content you're making. So that's 5 working methods to access Veo 3.1 for free right now: Opal, Adobe Firefly, Google Vids, Arena.ai, and Google Flow, each with a real free tier, no tricks required. My recommendation: start with Google Flow as your main method since the daily credit refresh makes it the most sustainable long-term, and use the others as backup when you want to push beyond the daily limit or test a different platform's output quality. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials and practical workflows that help you create more while spending less. If you're ready to discover even more powerful AI tools, click the playlist that's on your screen right now. It's packed with tutorials, hidden features, and workflows that can save you hours and improve your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.